sana. The need to respect each other. It is not about your political persuasion, but the need to respect each other. Watu wanazunguka, wanatusi wenzao, wanajaribu kuleta narratives ambazo hazina maana. That is not the way to go. Na mimi nataka niwaambie, be very careful when you are in public space. Because sometimes you may utter words that can make it extremely difficult for you to reconcile with your brother or sister later. And I want to respect the role that President Ruto has shown. Because in the middle of the campaign, when it looked like the whole world was going to split, President Ruto has made it clear that he is going to support, and he has instructed me as the Minister for Foreign Affairs, that we support the candidacy of Raila Odinga to become the chair of the African Union Commission. Yeye ameweka kando mambo ya siasa, ameweka kando mambo yale yalipita. Amesema kwamba candidate wetu katika cheo kikuu cha African Union Commission atakuwa Raila Odinga. Ikiwa at the level of the president and at the level of Raila, there has been deep reconciliation, deep understanding, to the extent that the president is now supporting him for the candidacy. Na mjue kwamba you cannot be a candidate without the permission, idhini ya serikali. Na serikali iliyoko sasa ni serikali ya William Samoei Ruto. If the government refuses, you cannot be the candidate. If the government agrees, you become the candidate. Sasa wewe kwa kijiji unazidi kutusi Musalia, unazungumza mambo ya Weta, and at the very highest level, the leaders have shown magnanimity and they are moving forward. Na wewe unazunguka kule. First of all, I will never be a governor. I did my role as an MP. I have finished. I am now a public officer. The other, I will tell you later. But for heaven's sake, don't wake up talking about Musalia. Tell the people of your area what you are going to do for them. Waambie utafanya nini? Jenga mabarabara zako.